Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on whole numbers minus fractions. Following on from the earlier videos on fractions, we will now see how to subtract a fraction from a whole number. The important thing to remember is that when subtracting or adding simple fractions, we must make sure that the denominators are the same. And this applies for this video. So let's look at the first example. So we have a whole number minus a fraction. Now we want this number here to look like a fraction. So this can be written as 3 over 1 minus 1 over 2. So this is exactly the same as that, and the beauty is that this looks like a fraction. Now we need both denominators to equal 2. Notice here that this denominator is 1 and that's 2. They both have to be 2. So for the 3 on 1, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. We now have 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So that's actually 6 over 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. And that's the half that we had before. We can now see that the two denominators are the same. Since both denominators are the same, we have 6 minus 1 over 2. When both denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerators from each other. So 6 minus 1 over 2 gives us 5 over 2. Now in the earlier videos on fractions, we saw how to change this improper fraction to a mixed number. 2 into 5 goes 2 and 1 left over, so it's 2.5. Example 2. 5 minus 2 over 3. This can be written as 5 over 1 minus 2 over 3. That's the secret. Write that whole number there in this way so it looks like a fraction. So for the 5 over 1, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. The reason is, that's a 3. We now have 15 over 3 minus 2 over 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Since the denominators are the same, excuse me, since the denominators are the same, we subtract the numerators. So 15 take away 2 gives you 13 over 3. 3 into 13 goes 4 times, because 3 4s are 12, 1 left over, so it's 4 1/3. Example 3, excuse me, 7 minus 5 over 4. That gives us 7 over 1 minus 5 over 4. So 7 over 1, that looks like a fraction. Now we need both denominators to be 4, so we multiply top and bottom by 4. 4 7s are 28 and 4 1s are 4. So that's 28 over 4 minus 5 over 4. Since both denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerators. 28 minus 5 is 23 over 4. 4 into 23 goes 5. 3 left over, so it's 5 3/4. So this video has shown us how to have a whole number and subtract a fraction from it. And the secret is, whenever you have the whole number, just put it over 1 to make it look like a fraction, and then make sure the two denominators are the same by doing a simple calculation like this.